is a bitter gourd?
Bitter ball.
Okay.
Bitter ball.
Bitter gourd.
And what is this?
That is a cabbage.
Okay, And what is this?
That is a chayote.
And what you see? What is this?
That is lettuce.
Little. What is this?
That is a tomato.
A tomato.